for one avocado toast, I will boil an egg. I like a medium boiled. Take one ripe avocado for one toast. Remove the skin. Just peel it off. Mash it with a fork. Salt. A little bit of pepper. Just mix that. Taste it. Make sure it has enough salt. And we'll put it aside. So I bought an Italian bread. It's better if the bread is a little bit denser, not with too many holes, because then the avocado would just get through. So I got a slice and toast it. Now I take red onion. I will cut a few slices. Now I take a small pan and I will put 3 tablespoons of water mixed with 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Warm it up and now split the onion cuts and let it cook in there for approximately 5 minutes. And that's an easy way how to make pickled onion. So in 5 minutes the onion softened and they still crunchy. Then the egg is done, put it under cold water to cool off. So spread the avocado on the toast. I like putting some arugula on my avocado toast. Put some of the pickled onion. You can add a few chili flakes if you prefer a little bit spicy. And I just cut the egg. You see that the middle is still a little bit soft, and you can put it on top or on the side. I would still sprinkle some salt on top for the eggs and sprinkle some smoked paprika, and the avocado toast is ready.